she felt the same way too. So why all these changes I'm seeing you? Could it be, boy, that you found somebody, somebody who loves you, somebody, yeah, somebody who I'm proud of the love we share. Boy, I thought you really cared. So why all these changes?
I said I want you to love me. Well, she says I'm what you think I like. If you want to make love with me, naturally it's how it's got to be. especially when it's for your sake. But there's one heartache I just can't bear, and that's pretending that I don't care. All this tension's killing me. Can't stand the pain, that's a fact. So I'm gonna love you endlessly. When I saw you walking the field, baby, I knew that I should leave and go my own way. But when I try to let it be, I'm a man in agony. What's inside is more than I can say. So as I live from day to day, gonna let it show, honey, come what may. No longer can I deal with this distress. Your love's my weakness, I must confess. I really love you. Can't stand the pain, that's a fact. And you feel it too. Girl, you know it's true. It's too much to hold it back. I just can't take it anymore. Can't stand the pain, and that's a fact. Although I can deal with your rejection, girl, I can take Now there's a lot that I can take, especially when it's for your sake. But there's one heartache I just can't bear, and that's pretending that I don't care. Can't stand the pain, that's a fact. When I try to let it be, I'm a man in agony. And you feel it too. Girl, you know it's true. Oh, and that's a fact. So I'm gonna love you, honey. Come on, baby. It's too much to hold it back. All this tension is killing me. That's a fact. So I'm gonna love you.
目の前にあるが、よいしょ。1メーター、2メーターぐらいあるね。はい。